can you give us a little brief about what you covered in today's session?
So today's session was basically about setting the tone on how the business landscape has changed with in the age of AI. I think we hear a lot of news globally and also locally on how different business models are changing, revenue models are changing, and the lasting impact it has on consumers, employees, and also on the bottom line.
Hey guys, so it was fantastic speaking to the audience today, the students. It was super engaging. I just want to quickly talk a little bit about where myself and Niresh are from. We are from a company called Row Global. You may have known us as a platform expert, but we've been pivoting very fast to a more AI native company. And BrandRadar, which is headed by Niresh, is one of the products that we currently have, helping people with discoverability on AI platforms and LLMs.
So the idea of this session was to help career students and students that are now hopefully going into the corporate sector in the next few years to understand the overall business impact of AI and how they can stay relevant. And I think the biggest key takeaway and what we wanted to imprint in everyone's head was that AI is not a threat. If utilized properly, it can be a useful weapon in their arsenal and can help them amplify their career as they step in.
We found that majority of you are using it, very few are not using it, which is fantastic because you're going into a market that's going to demand you to have this skill, right? It was very interesting to know that there are one or two people still not having complete faith in it to even use it for a little bit, which is good in a way, but it shows us how much more important it is for us to keep talking about this topic, showing what AI can do, the good of it, and also understanding the certain bad things that can come from it.
No, I think it's highly relevant because I think it helps them understand, acquire, synthesize information very fast, much faster than I was able to when I stepped into university around 10 years ago. So I think them being able to kind of experiment, play around with AI, understand what sort of use cases it helps them, when not to use it, really helps them understand at a surface level before they kind of step into the corporate sector. I think having that sort of exposure before they go into a real job will help them be more equipped, and they'll be able to sort of perform their job a lot better once they've sort of experimented with it successfully at an undergraduate stage.